Hello, boys and girls. So somebody asked me this question, right? Nigel, will you choose crypto or pre-IPO stocks? Which is better? And it got me thinking. I'm like, that's a really good question. But it's actually a trick question if you think about it. That's both are right if you understand both businesses, right? So let's break it down. And also, that's the first thing to say. It's a trick question. Both are right. And secondly, it needs to be a apple to apple comparison. Crypto versus IPO is not accurate enough because crypto is such a big world, right? It's like saying the stock market versus crypto. That's more accurate. If you talk about pre-IPO stocks, then we should talk about things like IDO and ICO, which is like initial coin offering, when it's a startup. Again, IPO is like a startup for a new company that's going to be publicly listed. Okay, let's talk first things first, right? It's why I say if you compare crypto versus pre-IPO stock, why it's a trick question? Because both answers are right to me. Okay, let me throw it back to you. Would you rather invest in, let's say, pre-IPO McDonald's, or would you rather invest in when pre-ICO Bitcoin? You see what I mean? It's very hard for you to say crypto versus pre-IPO stocks. Both are right. If that opportunity is presented to me, like for example, if I get, Nigel, do you want to buy pre-IPO McDonald's versus pre-ICO Bitcoin? I'll take both. Of course, I'll take both. Both have in real life application. At least Bitcoin right now more, but Bitcoin then there's much lesser real life applications. Everything is all in the world, in the cloud, in the blockchain, right? Many people don't understand. In hindsight, right now we know what it is. But if at the time, way back in 2008, 9, 10, I bet most of us will choose McDonald's because everybody can see, feel, eat, taste, drink McDonald's, right? But if the opportunity is presented to me and I have the cash, I invest in both crypto and pre-IPO stocks. That's number one. Number two, if you compare apple to apple comparison, okay, why I say apple to apple comparison? Because you can't just say crypto versus pre-IPO, because crypto is the whole world of cryptocurrency and blockchain, whereas pre-IPO is where a company is going public listed. A better and more accurate comparison is if there's a new startup crypto company that's launching a new coin, a new technology, they call it ICO. If you ask me, ICO versus IPO, okay, ICO is on a blockchain, IPO is real life public listing. Which one would I choose? This depends entirely on the technology of the ICO, which is a blockchain company, the startup company in the blockchain, versus how well the pre-IPO company is going to be, it has been. And I'll compare. The answer is still the same as the first answer. It's a trick question. Both are right. Although, in the world of blockchain, where I came from in 2017, there's a lot of ICO scams left, right, center. So many scams, I have no words. So I'm a bit apprehensive for ICOs, but for the right ICO of a cryptocurrency launch, the right technology, the right team, it's not the right, let's not make it perfect. Good team, good enough idea, I'll go with ICO and IPO. But if both of them are just sketchy, shady, you know, where they don't have a real case use, doesn't have a real benefit for the people, it's not fair, then I will not invest in both. You know, you have to dive deep, a bit deeper to understand what's the case use for the blockchain, the crypto company, and the IPO company. It has to have a good case use, and they have the right team as well. If the team is weak, everything will fail. Seriously. Team leadership must be strong, okay? In crypto world, the tokenomics of the crypto, the token itself must be sound. It cannot be too unfair towards the founders, Likewise, the same thing can be applied for the IPO. It has to be sound and fair. and sustainable profitable, of course. So, crypto or IPO stocks? The answer is both. Don't be misled. But of course, you gotta do your own due diligence, do your own research, so that you don't waste your money, so that you invest in projects that have higher chances of gaining you yield and will be part of a greater project that you can be really proud of. Alright, that's all for me today. Take care. Bye.